there is river. There is river. Yeah. Good river. And there's my shadow. Hello, shadow. There's a big hill up here, but there's also a trail right here to look at the view of nature. Yeah. Over here. Oh, Manier's coming, Frankie.
Go, Frank, go.
Come on, Frankie, go. There's another big hill. I go this way, okay.
Sorry. Yeah, I wasn't looking.
Okay. Up the hill I shall go. This is very, yeah. Yeah. Climbing right here. More nature? I don't know what that noise is in the background. What was that? What? Do you hear that? Oh, it's just a vacuum. Probably. This is good climbing, exercising upward. But it would be harder if I biked up here. And there's a plane. Yeah. It's a good day here in Illinois. And I got a tree here. And I want to rest on. But I must make it to the top of the mountain. Almost there. As you can see, I go up toward. Actually, I want to go here. What's over here? It's just a big mountain. Probably a woodpecker. There's Frankie right there. I'm gonna go back on the trail. Okay. Up the mountain. Oh no, there's a horse.
so he knows that you're okay.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, see, those are people.
Happy Easter.
Hello.
Hello. Man, I haven't ridden a horse forever.
We can. Let's do that today.
Okay. I don't want to be kicked by a horse. This video is very long, but you know what? It's worth it to climb up the big mountain to show the view. Started all the way over there, and we're here. And now there is a little room where you can relax. And when I mean room, I mean outside, out here. It's a good seat right here. Another seat right there. Yeah. Nope, my hat's on the way.
Frankie, don't step on the poop.
Yeah, guys, that's dog poop right. I mean horse poop right
How
there.
come we have to pick up dog poop, but they don't have to pick up horse poop?
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
The horses are still there, by the way. I don't know if you can see them.
Well, it seems like.
You know what? You know what? I think that this good video is going to end, but I don't know. You know, it's good to know and enjoy nature and enjoy God's nature. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and happy April. I mean, happy spring. I mean, happy Easter Bunny. Yeah. Also, I don't celebrate it, but I did go egg hunting today and I ate lots of candy. So, yeah. That's kind of good. Still, they have horse poop. The horses are over there. They're pretty fast. You know? Hopefully I could make a video about farm camp. But this place is like right next to farm camp, so yeah.